Single-family homes make up half of the market share in real estate in the Steamboat Springs area, and so when the volume doubles over a year, we simply have to take notice. Hi, this is John James with the James team at RE/MAX Partners, and we've reached the halfway point in our market updates for the month of May. And single-family homes as a segment are important to analyze in an area where you would think condos and townhomes would dominate. So let's get right into the numbers. Beginning, as always, with the median sold price. This has now reached $800,000, up from 16% from $690,000 we saw in May of 2020. Number of units sold went from 338 last year and increased by 63% to 552. It's a very strong number, but this is one indicator where condos and townhomes still dominates. The total dollar volume doubled from last year's $337 million to $673,513,356. This is mirroring what happened with the overall market. Moving from sales to inventory, we break down this section into two sections, time and amount. So first, how long does the median single-family home stay on the market? 26 days, and that's 23 days less than last year. It was a drop of 47%. Second, how long would it take to sell all of those homes currently listed? 3.1 months. Last year, that number was 8.3 months, meaning the differential has changed by 63%. Okay, well, what do we have on the market? Well, for May 2020, there had been 250 homes listed. That was cut by more than half to 120 this year. Following the trend of the larger market, more new listings came on the market by a measure of 17%, going from 469 to 549. This is good, but I'd feel much more comfortable when the percentage change of new listings is more than the percentage drop of active listings. That just seems much more sustainable. Next category is value. What are you getting for your money? And sales to list price ratio shows us what buyers are paying in relationship to the price for which it was listed. Here, this increased by only 0.2% to 97.6%. In layman's terms, more homes went for more than list price to kick this ratio up, but not by as much as some of the other segments on the market. This space is costing more according to the price per square foot. This May, it was at $342, up 11% from the $308 we saw last year. And as new builds come on and then off the market, expect this number to continue to rise because of the high cost of building right now. And there were 52% fewer price reductions on single-family homes compared to last year. They dropped from 27 to 13. This is understandable and almost parallels the drop in days on market. Lastly, we have our future indicators. Terminated contracts are what we look at as back on market, dropped from 11 to 8. And this indicator has not been telling us nearly as much as it did when people were buying homes sight unseen. Finally, pending listings increased 69% from 336 to 569. And this is attributable to three factors: current market demand, longer contract timelines, and during this same time last year, we were just coming out of a lockdown, so the opportunities to purchase were much smaller. One more type segment with condos and townhomes, and then we move right into the areas of south, north, and west route. And in the next episode of the contract, I will break down the clause pertaining to owners' associations and the impact it has on a transaction. In the meantime, you can contact me at 970-846-0797, John James at JamesTeamSteamboat.com, or down in the comments section of the video. Take care.